The #1 selling piece of sporting goods equipment in England, well, it's not a soccer ball, it's not a cricket bat. According to a friend of mine, it's baseball bats. Now, they don't play baseball over there, but apparently every truck driver in England keeps a baseball bat underneath his seat in case he's a victim of road rage. That's right, it's an international phenomenon, this situation where people completely lose their cool behind the wheel. It might start off as some inadvertent cut off, or maybe somebody's got his high beams on. Next thing you know, two people are going down the road, they're shaking their fists at each other. It can lead to ramming each other, and even, of course, in the good old United States, somebody pulling a gun. Well, why did you shoot the guy? Well, he cut me off. For this, he deserves to die? We even had a case where a driving instructor told a student to go chase somebody down because of some real or imagined slight to his manhood. Needless to say, it cost this guy his career. Now, what can you do to prevent road rage? Well, first, look inside yourself. Who among us hasn't tapped the brakes when some guy's tailgating or cut somebody off because he cut you off earlier? How do I know about these things? Well, let's not get into that. But look inside yourself and learn to control your own temper. If you see somebody else acting like a jerk, don't hammer on your brakes, don't flash your beams, don't flip him the bird. Just pull over, let him go by. If he's going to have a crash, your job is to make sure he has it with somebody else. Oh, and if you see a British truck driver with a baseball bat, give him a clear berth too. I'm Jim Kenzie.
So here's the question. Where were you 32 years ago? I know some of you weren't even a glint in your father's eye. As for me, well, I was in diapers, but found time to get Motoring TV off the ground. And today I like to think we've got one of the best automotive video libraries in the world. If you agree, please give us the thumbs up and also subscribe. We'd really appreciate it.